In this video, we'll show you how to run Android apps on PC without any emulator. Let's begin. First, open Chrome and search Windows Subsystem for Android. Then go to this GitHub link. Now scroll down and tap on Stable Version. Tap on the first link. Then wait for the download. Extract the zip file, then go to the search bar and type "Turn Windows features on or off." Check the virtual machine platform, then press OK and restart your PC. After that, go to the extracted file and open the run file. Then it will auto-install Play Store. Now, go to the apps and open the Play Store, and done. This will run lag-free apps on your Windows PC. That's it for the video. If you found this useful, do like, share, and subscribe with notifications on for more tips.